Hello everyone, Ramya, Assistant Professor of CSE Department from Rohini College of Engineering and Technology, subject code CS 3452, Theory of Computation, Unit 3, Topic Parse Tree. Objectives to understand the concepts of derivation tree for a grammar, to draw the parse tree for the grammar. Before seeing the parse tree, first we are going to see the definition of derivation tree. It is a graphical representation for the derivation of the given production rules for a given context-free grammar. That means how the derivation can be done to obtain some string from a given set of production rules. So it is called as a parse tree. Here the parse tree follows the precedence of operators, the deepest subtree traversed first. So the operator in the parent node has less precedence over the operator in the subtree. Here we have some following properties. A parse tree contains the following properties. The root node is always a node indicating start symbols. The derivation is read from left to right. The leaf node is always terminal nodes. The interior nodes are always the non-terminal nodes. For that we are going to see one example, production rule. E equal to E plus E equal to E into E equal to A, B, C. Now we are going to draw the parse tree for the given example. They given the input as A, B, C. Using that input, you are going to draw one parse tree. So I am just asking that input string as A into B plus C. So I am going to start with E plus E. Every time the interior node always represent the non-terminal nodes. The leaf node, that means child node, represent the terminal node. So always the non-terminal node should be replaced by the terminal node in the child node. So in the step 2, again you are going to given E is replaced by E into E. Now the each and every non-terminal should be replaced by the terminal node. So that we are going to done in the step 3. So E is replaced as A and the next one E is replaced as B. So that A value will be traverse to the non-terminal node E. B value also traverse to the non-terminal node E. In the step 5, we are going to draw the terminal for E. So the C also traverse to the non-terminal node E. Suppose if you are going to assign the value A equal to 2, B equal to 3, C equal to 3. So A value is traversed to E, B value is traversed to E, C value also traversed E. Always in the interior node non-terminal, otherwise operators, otherwise assignment operators. But in the leaf node definitely have the terminal symbols, that means it is a lowercase letters. In the interior node every time you have to write in the non-terminal node, that means it is represented by the uppercase letters. Also it will support the operators. Thank you.